Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you the exact techniques in which you can change your life. Who doesn't want to change their life? Everyone does, but we don't know where to start. So if you're somebody who wants to change their life and don't know where to start, this video might be just for you. So keep watching. And there are exactly four techniques which you can use every day until you achieve your goal and get to wherever you want in life. And the first and foremost technique is to visualize. Visualize your dream future. How do you want your future to be? How do you want your future to look? What elements do you want in your future? In your finances, in your personal life, in your career, in your everything, whatever the sphere of your life you're looking to improve, what is it that you exactly want in your life? And start visualizing the exact future. Imagine the future you want every single day. So, in your visualization process, you have to consider four things to visualize properly and to achieve the results you want. So, firstly, you have to consider what exactly it is that you want from your future. How do you want your future self to look? How much exactly do you want to be earning? Or how much is it that you want to be getting from your business? Or how your relationships should look exactly? Who exactly do you want to be in your life? And what is it that you are needing from your career? What are your career goals? And what do you want your career to look like? What do you want to your future to look like? What do you want your future self to look like? Happy, sad, or obviously nobody wants their future self to be sad, but how happy you want to be? You need to have a clarity about all these things when you're beginning to visualize your ideal future. And the best thing about visualizing is that this takes place in your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind does not know the difference between the reality and imagination. So it is like the commands we give to our computer, and whatever information it has stored in the computer, when you give those commands, it will respond in a specific way, in a way we want it to respond. In the same way, our subconscious mind responds in a way we want it to respond when we give it the exact commands we want. And the greater the clarity in your imagination, the greater the chances of it becoming a reality. And the second thing about your visualizations you have to be careful about is the frequency. So you're visualizing it today and you're leaving it to luck, it is not going to work. What you're supposed to do is visualize it every day. Take 5 to 10 minutes of your day in the morning and in the evening to visualize your future exactly how you want it to be. The frequency does matter if you want anything at all to come true. So, the frequency with which you're imagining also helps to to make your visualizations or to make your dreams a reality. So how frequently you visualize also has an impact on how well your dreams become a reality. And the next thing we have to consider is the intensity with which you are imagining these things. How strongly do you want this future self? How strongly do you desire to change your future? All this matters, and the intensity with which you put your thoughts and emotions into your future visualizations makes things come into reality faster. If you have, like, when your emotions are into your visualization, when you're strongly wanting something from your future self, then these emotions combine and they become a desire in you, and this makes your visualizations become a reality faster. And the final thing you have to consider when you're visualizing something is the duration for which you're imagining your ideal future. Be it 5 minutes or 10 minutes a day. It is hard in the beginning to imagine your future self, which is not already in your life, and it is really hard to imagine things. But when you keep imagining your ideal future self, from 5 to 10 minutes every day and then increasing the time, your subconscious mind will believe that that is your reality rather than thinking that it is somewhere in the distant future. And this will make things become a reality sooner. So, all these four things are very crucial in your visualization technique in order for your dreams or your intentions to become a reality. And if you consider giving a good amount of time to all these things and plan your visualizations properly, it is possible that all your desires and visualizations will come into reality sooner than you expected. You can see miracles happen because it's all in here. Whatever is in your inner mind will definitely transform itself into a reality in your outside world. So, if you're keen on changing your inner world and your inner thoughts, you will definitely make it a reality in no time. This visualization process takes time to get to the track of how to do it, but once you get it right, that is all you need to make your dreams or to make your desires become a reality. The next technique that is required is affirmations. Yes, affirmations are a way you're giving commands to your subconscious mind. So the thing is, our conscious mind believes only what it sees. Our subconscious mind does not see anything. So what we are telling to it, like what we are saying to it, is the only source of information for our subconscious mind, and that is how it it accepts the reality around it, and that is how it gets information about our surroundings, about our reality, about what it is that we exactly are. Sometimes you might be saying like, I don't like myself, I don't like this place, or I don't like this thing. So that is the feedback, or that is the commands you're giving to your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind believes whatever you say to it. So your affirmations are a way of commanding your subconscious mind into believing that your reality is something different, because it is only through your commands your subconscious mind sees your reality. So when your affirmations are positive, personal, they are said in a present tense. These are the three P's of affirmations you have to be considerate when you're doing your affirmations. They have to be present, they have to be positive, and they have to be something personal. Like if you said like, I'm earning so and so amount, so I'm living in this big villa, I am. So everything in present tense will make your subconscious mind believe that your reality is this. When you change your inside world, that is when your outside world changes too. And all the change starts within. So if you change your subconscious mind, your reality also will change. And your affirmations are one way of changing your inner world and hence your outer world. So, the next technique that we need in order to change our lives is to verbalize. When you write down your affirmations and you verbalize those affirmations with great courage, confidence, and with great intention, that is when the world around you changes too. So if you see the sports teams or the in competitions, sports teams use this technique a lot. They boost their confidence or they boost their energy by saying things out loud, like you can do it, you can achieve this, or we will win, and stuff like that. And that is how they get the necessary boost that is needed to play the game that they are playing and win it in the end. So these positive, this is nothing that, like, this is not a new technique or something else. It has been used by a lot of people through ages, and that is how they have achieved good things in life. And affirming something through saying it out loud, either alone or with a group, makes things to come into a reality. And when your affirmations, or when you're verbalizing your affirmations with a great enthusiasm and positivity, you will see your outside world change. And this verbalization is another technique which you need in order to change your life and your personality altogether. And the fourth and final technique is to act the part. So, when you want your life to be like something and you're still acting in a way that is not consistent with how you want your life to be, you will never achieve any results at all. So, if you actually want to change your life, if you actually want to change your personality, what you have to do is you have to fake it till you make it. Yes, you heard it right. So, when you fake your emotions, when you fake your actions, in accordance with, in consistent with what you want your future to be, the things gradually change to how you actually want your life to be. And when you act in a way consistent with your intentions of how you want your life to be, everything precipitates, or everything crystallizes into your exact reality how you want it to be. And if you want to change your life into something else, these four techniques are a must in your pocket, and you have to keep using them wisely and skillfully in order to achieve the life you want. Initially, it might be a bit difficult for you to get the grip of how to use these techniques, but once you get a grip of it, you will realize that everything you have ever wished for will come into a reality within no time. And so, these are the four techniques which you absolutely need if you actually want to change your life, and you will change, you will see the change in your personality, in your life, within a few months after you start using these techniques. So I hope this video gave you some valuable information and insights into how you can change your life using these four techniques, alter your subconscious mind, and make things come into reality in the end. So I'll see you in another interesting and helpful video. Until then, take care.